hello. I hope you are well and healthy. Surely, all content creators and YouTube partners who receive monthly earnings from YouTube have received a message to resubmit the tax form so that the withheld tax from your earnings doesn't remain at 30% but goes back to 15%. Now, I will show you how the method will be easy and quick. The most important thing is to copy the information you entered the first time in the form and put it in the note. Of course, now we will go to Google AdSense and enter your account information, the same as what you registered on your YouTube channel. We will click on Payments. A message in red will appear here saying Action Required. We will click on Go to Payments. We click on Submit a new form. As you can see here, the information has appeared. Here you have the status expired. Here it will show you when you sent the information and when it expires. Copy the information here and here because we will use it in the new form. Click on Submit New Form. Start using a new form. Of course, click on Open Form. This page will appear. You need to scan this code with the device that has your information and your YouTube channel. Are you a citizen or resident of the United States? No. Next, choose a text form. Of course, the first option is for non-Americans and the second option is for Americans. So we will choose the first option and click on Open Form. Tax identification, the name of the beneficial owner. You will enter the same name you are using in Google AdSense and which is also on your official cards or passports. The third option is the region or country. You will choose the country of your nationality, meaning the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. After that, click Next. Here you will enter your address or national address. We check the box if the mailing address matches the permanent residence address. We click Next. This message appeared stating that there is no tax treaty between the Kingdom and America, so we will click on No. I am not eligible for a reduced tax withholding rate. Next. This option asks you if you have activities or services in the United States. Choose yes or no, then click on Declaration. We click on Next. Okay, this option gives you the freedom to choose whether they send you the tax papers via regular mail or email. So when you agree to this agreement, you check this option and it will be sent via email. After that, we press Next. This is the tax form. We check the box. We click Next. Also, we will click on this declaration and this declaration as well. We will leave the date as it is. And we click that yes, I am the beneficial owner mentioned in the tax identification section. We click on Submit and wait until the form is accepted. It might be accepted immediately or it might take some time until it is accepted. Thank God the form was accepted immediately for me, and hopefully you will also have success.